Happy to report that our Land Cruiser 250 Freddie has new shoes, and I'm very happy. Actually, that should have been the original size from the OEM, but it's fantastic. This is Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 XL load, and it's 275 20 inch wheel with a 60% tire wall size, so it's fantastic. 275 60 on our 20-inch wheel. Very happy. The car looks different. The car looks completely different. I can't tell you how absolutely happy I am. This is a different setup with these tires. It's fantastic. And another small change, center cap is now Toyota, and we love it. Absolutely love it.